Have you heard of Sporothrix Schenckii? It's a tricky little fungus you might not know about until it causes trouble. Sporothrix Schenckii lives in soil, plants, and decaying matter. If you're an avid gardener or spend time outdoors, listen up. This fungus causes a condition called sporotrichosis, or rose gardener's disease. It enters your skin through tiny cuts, often from plants like roses or thorns. Once inside, it can cause swelling, ulcers, or even spread to your bones, joints, or lungs if left untreated. Want to learn more about Sporothrix Schenckii and other sneaky molds? Visit the Mold Busters Mold Library. Stay informed, stay safe. Click the link, explore our mold library, and uncover everything you need to know about mold safety.